In this circuit, the LED is connected to pin 3 on the Arduino, and the potentiometer is connected to the 5-volt section and to the analog 0 pin on the Arduino, and they're both connected to the ground. And in this circuit, the LED only turns on if the value of the potentiometer is greater than or equal to 400, otherwise it's off. In this circuit, the light sensor is connected directly to the 5 volts on the Arduino, the ground on the Arduino, and the A0 pin on the Arduino. And in this circuit, the light sensor detects if it's over white, then the serial monitor will display a line saying white line detected. If it's over something black, it displays the line black line detected. If it's over something that's neither white nor black, then displays nothing. Like so. In this circuit, the yellow LED is connected to pin 13 on the Arduino, the red LED is connected to pin 12 on the Arduino, and both are connected to the ground through resistors. The top button is connected to pin 3 on the Arduino, the bottom button is connected to pin 2 on the Arduino, both are connected to the ground through wires, and both are connected to the 5 volts through pull-up resistors. The resistors reverse what the Arduino registers the button as. So in this circuit, when they're not being pushed, it registers them as being high, and when they are being pushed, it registers them as being low. So the code makes sure that if button 1 is pushed and the bottom one is not, the yellow light is on. When the bottom button is pushed, nothing happens, but when both are pushed, the red light turns on. In this circuit, the top LED is connected to pin 13 in the Arduino. The second LED is connected to pin 12 on the Arduino. The third LED is connected to pin 11 on the Arduino. And all three are connected to the ground through resistors. The top button is connected to pin 4 on the Arduino. The middle one is connected to pin 3 on the Arduino. And the bottom one is connected to pin 2 on the Arduino. They're all connected to the 5 volts through resistors and the ground through regular wires. The pull-up resistors reverse what the Arduino code registers their states. So when they're not being pushed, they're registered as on, and when they are being pushed, they're registered as off. And the code is written to accommodate that. And the code also makes sure that when the top button and only the top button is being pushed, the top LED is on. When the second LED is pushed and only the second LED button, the second LED turns on. And when the third button is pushed and only the third button, the third LED comes on. If any combination of buttons are pushed, no LED comes on. Like the previous circuit, each of the push buttons are connected to the 5 volts through pull-up resistors. The top button is connected to pin 4 on the Arduino, the middle one is connected to pin 3 on the Arduino, and the bottom one is connected to pin 2 on the Arduino. And the RGB LED is connected to pin 13 for its red LED, 12 for its green LED, and 11 for its blue LED, and they're all connected to the ground through one wire. And in this circuit, if the top button is pushed, the RGB LED displays red. If the middle one is pushed, it displays green. If the bottom one is pushed, it displays blue. If the top and middle one are pushed, it displays yellow. If the top and bottom one are pushed, it displays purple. And if the second and third push buttons are pressed, it displays cyan. If all of them are pressed, it displays nothing. And if none of them are pressed, it also displays nothing. In this circuit, each of the LEDs are connected to pins 13 through 8 across resistors, and they're connected to the ground. the light dependent resistor is connected to the 5 volt area on the Arduino, the ground of the Arduino, and the analog read pin A0. And the code of this makes it so that if the LDR is receiving enough light to have a value that's greater than 500, then all 6 LEDs are off. If it's receiving just enough light to have a value of 500 or less, then the 6 LEDs turn on.